Contract status report. Track the progress of your contracts. Simple tips on how to fill in the contract status report include bridges, denoted by color light orange, street lights, purple, color coded by green is the roads, also color coded by light blue is marine and jetty. Environmental safety and health toolbox topic this month. We have health and safety, lost workday cases, first aid, near miss incidents, contract man hours, environmental issues, major environmental incident, minor environmental incident. We have scheduled data, item number, contractual milestone, baseline, forecast actual, and days change. Okay, from here, always verify the accuracy of your project information encircled in red. Make sure general manager name is right. Ensure contractor name is correct. Status date should always be the last day of the month. Make sure contractor administrator is the person stated in the contract. We have the project management triangle, time, cost, scope, quality, and also we have the earned value management, EVM. This is a type of constraint, cost, time, scope. This is used for invoice and also for tracking progress. Now we have invoice analysis, budget status, manpower, progress highlights, progress score, financial and cash flow must be accurate. Variation order must be filled up or zero if none or not applicable. Manpower data must be provided, secure from contractor. Budget status including planned value must be considered. Okay, we have project highlights. We have the S-Corp, critical analysis and mitigation. Ensure to write down the narratives and progress highlights. Make sure to provide the critical analysis. Ensure mitigation is properly noted. If back is not applicable, just write down no major activity. Okay. The project controls will provide the graphics and the S-Corp. Milestone Gantt. Additionally, we will be including the milestone Gantt or timeline report. For simplicity, the columns for duration, start and finish dates will be collapsed. Project milestone Gantt chart will be displayed adjacent to the contract milestone table. We have here samples of the templates for the roads and the marine and jetty, for the street lights and the bridges. Thank you.